Ryobi price glitch. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Big shout out to Mika, Theo Team 6. Alright. So this one is it's not, unfortunately, it's not the brushless, it's not the latest and greatest, but just listen to it. It is worth it. So it is worth it, and you guys make sure you guys run for this one. If you're on the line, if you're just looking for a spare impact or whatever. You got the OnePlus 18 volt half an inch impact wrench with 4 amp hour starter kit. The starter kit is $99, down from $189, save $90. Okay. It is the special buy of the day. But once you guys go down here, it does give you the free option for gift with purchase. You are able to choose the battery, a half an inch drill driver, valued at $59, the orbital polisher or buffer, which I hate, and then my favorite, one of the Ryobi best ones. This is the 3/8 4-position ratchet. So $99. And then you can choose from the 3/8 impact wrench. Is this the brushless? One cordless. Yeah, it doesn't say brushless, but if you guys want the impact wrench, you guys can choose that. You can choose from the angle grinder tool only. You can choose from the 5.5 circular saw tool only. 2-speed random orbit buffer. Compact radio with Bluetooth. Hybrid Whisper Series fan, which is overpriced at $59. Cordless multi-tool, $79. Reciprocating saw. Well, this is a good one. This is a inflator deflator, so you guys could choose this one. That's a good value. This is a great light. Still, it's really expensive at that price. This is a hybrid 20-watt light. I'm going to go ahead and choose the impact wrench or the ratchet. You guys could choose either or. I'm going to choose the ratchet or the impact wrench. Select this item. Go to cart. Check this out, guys. $49.50 for the impact wrench. $49.50 for the impact wrench kit. That is a killer deal, guys. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section. This is a stacked glitch, a stacked discount. That's what that is. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.